Hello guys, welcome back to the N8N tutorials. For the past few videos, we've been learning about how you can make different workflows. We have been dealing with Google Sheets, Gmail, and various other Google tools. And we have been connecting all those through API with N8N to make this tool really powerful and make it fly beyond limits. So this is what we'll be doing next as well. We will be building a workflow which encompasses everything that I've learned up till now and uses various tools in just one single workflow. The purpose is that we're going to have to take the information from Google Docs, the documents that we are being sent from the sender. For example, it might be anything. It might be invoices about information about products or customers, like billing information, addresses, payment amount, etc. So when you get such invoices to you in your Gmail, you're gonna have to process this information through an AI node to extract the information. But there's one problem. Many times there's some email that's not consistent with the format. So for this, we're gonna have to use an AI node to extract the information intelligently because it does not depend on one single node. I mean, on one single format. So it would be pretty easier for it to extract the information from the document. So yeah, this is the goal. We're gonna be given some invoices, and we will have to take out the information from it and then send it back to our database or our database of customers, and then we will be updating our team, our customer team about the new databases of the customers added. So yeah, this is our goal, and we will be working on this. Yeah, so summing up the workflow again, we're gonna be dealing with Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Sheets. We will be having some invoices documents in our Google Drive, and they're gonna be fetched from the Google Drive into our N8N. The information will be extracted, then it will be sent to the AI node. The AI node will process that, and then we're going to do some manipulations in the Google Sheet to update the information about customers or whatever it is. Then an AI is going to draft an email the about the invoice being received, and the AI is going to send the email to the team. Yeah, so summing it up again, what we're going to do is we're going to essentially use Google Drive, Google Sheets, and Gmail to execute a workflow end to end with the help of N8N and AI agents. So we're going to be receiving invoices in our Google Drive. The invoices will contain some documents in which we would have some information about the product and the customers. This is going to be sent to an AI node to extract the information. The information will be used to update the Google Sheet. And once the Google Sheet is updated, the information will be sent to another AI agent, from which we are going to draft an email, and that email is going to be sent to the team, to the customer's team, updating that this particular customer is being added to our database. And yeah, that's how our workflow is going to be. So stay tuned. I hope you are really excited for this workflow, and let's get into it in the next video.